Alright, guys, good morning. It's Monday, the 9th of December 2019. I'm just gonna go over some of the different pairs and what should we be looking out for this week, right? So we're gonna start with oil. Just some quick analysis. Um, we're still in an oil short from the let's see. From the top of this range, come down. It's about 90 pips so far, risk free. Right, I already sent in. I've been talking about oil all last week, right? Next, we have Nasdaq 100. So basically, if you were to short this pair, you would short it at this zone here. This is the most valid zone to short if you follow the rules, right? Working trend line. US 30, same thing. We have this zone, then we have working trend line, and then we have resistance, somewhat of a head and shoulders, right? Onto gold. We had gold short running. Let's see. Gold is moving in this channel, right? Just had a reaction of the lower level, 1460. Also probably high time frame demand as well, right? So for gold, there's no trade available on gold right now, so I'll continue to update throughout the week, right? USD JPY, best area to go long would be at this zone right here. Depending on how the market develops, right? So basically, if the market comes down to this level today, you can go long because this trend line has not been broken yet. We need an entire candle on the other side, right, to close on the other side. And this daily candle, because this is a daily trend line, this daily candle has not closed yet. So if it comes down here today, it would make the longs would be valid, and it's just a few pips away. It's just 23 pips away, so the market could definitely come down and tap that level. USD CAD, this would be the best. If you were to go short, this would be the best level. I mean, on a high time frame, it looks like it's USD CAD is consolidating. So it's basically just going up and down in either direction. It can go any direction, but on the lower time frame, the highest probability trade would be shorts from this level. All right. If you took the course, of course, you know why we're going short. USD CHF. The best level to go short at would be at that level right here. Maybe you should like pause the video on your own time and probably like try to draw these levels on your own. See if it lines up, or you know. Okay, so of course GBP USD has been in an uptrend for some time now, since September. I've been saying only longs allowed on GBP USD. So the best level to go long at would obviously be this level right here. Any shorts would be low probability. Same thing for GBP, JPY. We look to take longs if the market retraces. GBP, AUD. We look to take long if the market retraces. Alright. Euro GBP. We're gonna look for shorts once the market retraces. Euro, this is a daily time frame by the way. Euro AUD, right? Basically, we would expect the market to retrace back down to this level right here, where we can look for longs, right? This is a daily time frame. Hop down to the 4-hour. We can see that Euro AUD is in this channel coming down right here, so we can expect here. Maybe a quick short would be available on the lower time frame because there is a zone right here. So it would be possible to go short from this level down to this level and then go long, right? But this would be like a quick scalp. Well, not really quick scalp because it's a 134 pips, so not bad at all. And then from that level now, we would go long. UJPY. Currently, I don't see any trades available in UJPY. We just have to let the market develop, and whenever it provides us with an opportunity, we're gonna take it. Euro USD. Best place to go long, you already know. Euro USD is in a daily uptrend right now, so according to the rules, only longs are allowed to be taken. Aussie dollar. Now, Aussie dollar has been consolidating. The best area to go long would be here, unless the market develops and provides us with new opportunity. Aussie JPY. Let's see. There's no trade available on Aussie JPY right now. We just let it develop. Aussie NZD. Okay, on a weekly time frame, you go long here. But to lower your risk, we can take a long on the daily time frame. Hopefully the market dips down to our zone where we can look for longs. Alright. New Zealand dollar. Actually had this set up here for this upper channel right here, and this is supposed to be a higher time frame trend line. So I mean, if you had to, NZD USD is bullish, but pretty much overextended and needs a pullback. So far, there's a few confluences to go short, but I don't think it's enough But if you're willing to risk like a small percentage of your accounts on these two confluences, go right ahead. Euro NZD, let's see. Yes, with the trend line, kind of did make a nice little entry. But the best place to go long would be down here. So if the price does take out these traders who went long on this trend line, then the best area to go long would be this area down here. Right now, when I draw these areas, you might tell yourself, oh, that's pretty far. The market isn't gonna reach down there, but the market really doesn't give a shit. The market can get to any price very quickly, right? So if the market wants, it can drop down to this level in an hour. So you should come with the mindset that the market is capable of doing anything, right? So don't look at a level or look at an entry and think it's too far away to be entered. Your CAD, this would have been the ideal long, but it's too late now. We let this develop and hopefully it provides us with another opportunity. Aussie, this would have been the ideal short, right? So the train has already left the station, so there's nothing we can do about it now. GBP, well, I sent this out to the group last night. What did I marked up this trade last night, hopefully. I mean, it's not too late. We just gotta increase a little risk and we can enter this trade. But this is the idea area for shorts on GBP and ZD. Right? And then shoulder zone, trend line. CAD JPY. Idea area for longs right here. See what the daily looks like. Oh, we had a trade on the daily already. Okay, it's got JPY, so you can enter early if you want. This would be an ideal trade right here. GBP, CHF, there's nothing available. Alright, so that's about it. If this analysis helps you, I'll try to do one every week. Just let me know, okay? Thank you for being a part of Mastermind Capital, and I'll be sending out the signals all week this week as soon as they're available to me, so you just be prepared to take them, okay?